and welcome to Viberent. My name is Sivakumar and I'm the founder and CEO of Viberent. We're going to now provide a very short overview of the Viberent system. You can watch this video to learn the various modules of Viberent and how they interact with your accounting system. Viberent is an add-on to accounting packages like Xero, MYOB, and Intuit QuickBooks Online. You can use Viberent to manage all your rental operations end to end, and Viberent is used by hundreds of rental companies all over the world, ranging from party hire through to high-end plant and machinery hire, including oil rig companies maintaining large assets on behalf of the business. Viberent, once you subscribe initially, needs to be configured and customized to your business requirements using this configuration menu. It's a one-off setup, but you can always go back to the configuration anytime. You can set up things, simple things like your date settings. For example, if you are in another geographic region and you have different date settings, you can use that. And if you have different currency other than dollars, then you can specify things like euro symbol, or you can simply include, for example, United Kingdom, you can include the pound symbol, etc. Viberent also gives you functionality to include your own custom fields that you can use them in your quotes and rental transactions. Viberent also allows you to include specific functionality for event management businesses so that they can have rentals configured and delivered separately for specific events. For example, if you are an event supplier to major corporates for an event to be held in the convention center where you have 30 different customers with hundreds of equipment to be delivered, then you can configure those with the show code and the name and the venue, hall number, and stand, and then you can specify those details during your quoting and rentals, and you can extract reports such as the packing list for the particular event or customer orders for those specific events, etc. We'll see those in a greater detail. Because Viberent also allows you to specify your own rental agreement and terms and conditions. So you can have one set of documents that your customer sign off on and other pieces of document that includes your normal terms and conditions, etc. There is no limit on the amount of text you can have, and you can format them to your requirements. Simply copy and paste from your Word or PDF, and you can make them bold, underlined, etc. All WYSIWYG rich text formatting can be done within Viberent. You can also include things like your own accessories. For example, in addition to equipment rentals, you can also include any accessories or consumables. You can specify these one-off charges such as deliveries or pickup and other things. Again, totally configurable by you. So suppose you charge them a delivery fee of $50, you can configure them. And you can also have your own rental periods such as daily, weekly, monthly, hourly, all customizable by you. Viberent is the only system that gives you comprehensive configuration of rental periods like this based on days and hours. Viberent also allows you to send out emails directly, so you can have one set of emails, one set of templates for quotes, another set of templates for rent invoicing, etc. So, and the emails can also be personalized. We give you plenty of tags that you can use. For example, if you want to personalize with a customer name, simply copy and paste this customer name from this tag, and you can include them in the template, and the system will add the tag and substitute the tag with the appropriate customer name when you send out the invoice, send out the quote. Now, once your configuration is done, your daily workflow goes from left to right, from dashboard, inventory, etc. So the dashboard, as the name suggests, gives you an overall view of your rental operations. For example, your rental calendar is totally color coded and gives you details of how your rentals are. Green represents confirmed quotes that have not yet converted to rental. Brown represents quotes that have been raised but not yet confirmed yet. Blue represents active rentals that are happening right now, and red represents any rental returns happening on that particular day. So as you can see, on 14th of October, we have number of deliveries and pickups to be made. And so this gives you an opportunity to see what deliveries are to be made, what returns are to be picked up, so that you can coordinate your deliveries and pickup with your drivers or shipping company accordingly. At any point in time, Viberent can provide you detailed stock availability in your inventory. For example, you search a particular category and the system will come back and tell you this is the stock available during that specified period. Suppose you have an inquiry from a customer for a major event that's happening, say in January. You can simply check the availability of your equipment in January and the system will come back and tell you immediately. Also, at any point in time, you can do some forward planning in terms of upcoming rentals and any returns, etc., for a specified date period. And the system will come back and tell you these are the rentals that are happening during that period, or any rentals that are being returned during that period, etc. Viberent allows you to maintain comprehensive data about your inventory. For example, your base item details come in from your accounting package, such as your name, item code, and the name, but we add a whole lot of other functionality. You can configure an item to be a rental type, or it can be a cross rental type from another supplier, or if you're including your engineers or consultants or labor staff or designers or other kind of people to go on jobs to commission, decommission the equipment for your customer, then you can include them as service item. Sometimes rental companies also sell items, such as a party rental company may sell 20 packets of balloons and things like that. Inventory tracking in Viberent is completely handled, and you can track the items by either serial number or as bulk quantities. For example, if you have 5 lawn mowers to rent that are the same make and model, then you can maintain one item code and name within Viberent and maintain 5 different serial numbers within Viberent, so that you don't crowd your inventory with unnecessary item codes for each of your equipment in there. You can specify your own rental amount. For example, this is my daily rate, weekly rate, monthly rate, etc. And you can also include documentation about your items. For example, any user guide or a manual, and any images of the item can be uploaded so that all documentation about your inventory are in one place. Viberent also allows you to maintain stock codes, serial numbers, and barcodes about your equipment. So in addition to barcodes for each serial number, you can also maintain additional data about that. At any point in time, you can look at item history. So you can see what kind of rentals have gone in for this item, say from 1st of September to today. Then you can specify, okay, show me the rentals, and the system will come and tell you these are the rentals that have happened for this item during that period. Now you can manually enter the data into the Viberent inventory module. However, we also give you an Excel spreadsheet looking like this, where you can maintain all data about your equipment, for example, the item code and the name and other details. And you can also include the serial number and any barcode number, and also, you know, your rental rates for daily, weekly, monthly, etc. Once this is done, you can simply import the items into Viberent inventory. Go to inventory, go to serial number import, select the items in, and select the Excel file and import it in. At any time, suppose you have price revision, you want to update your pricing, at any time you can download the template, update the pricing in Excel, and import it back in. That's the power of Viberent. That's unique to our system, where you can upload inventory at any point in time. Now, within Viberent, we also include a major functional area called packaging, bundling, or kit management. This is nothing but, creating a package. For example, if you're a property styling company and you have separate packages for, small apartments, big apartments, 2-bedroom units, 4-bedroom house and things like that, then you can maintain a package. For example, this small apartment package includes 2 lounge suite, 5 tables, 10 chairs, 2 ottomans, and coffee table, and a whole lot of other things. Then you can specify all of those details within the kit area, and then once the kit is saved, you can use them in quotes and rentals, so that you don't have to include each component item that makes up the kit. Simply select the kit, and the system will take care of including all the subcomponents that make up the kit, and also check their availability for the specified period. I'll show you how these work within Viberent. Now, once the inventory is set up, we basically can start to put through quotes and rentals within Viberent. Viberent allows you to maintain comprehensive data about your customers in terms of their quoting and rental purposes. We'll look at this with a simple short example. So you select the quote, you can specify who the customer is, whom you're going to bill, and on the right side you can specify where you're going to ship the equipment to. For example, you may be billing the head office of Bunnings, but then the event is being held at a separate Bunnings outlet. Then you can specify where the shipping address is. You can also include your items as part for the quote. For example, you can have n number of items, and for each item you specify the dates, the rates, and everything, and the system calculates the total amount and all of that. When you include a kit, it also includes all the component items that make up the kit. You can specify the accessories that make up the quote, and you can also include other details such as the venue access, all those custom fields that we spoke about initially. You can specify all those details in here. And remember, we spoke about event packing lists and other things. So this is where you select. For example, you have the conference, and this is going to be held at this hall, this venue, etc. The system can take care of including all the details. So when you have all quotes and rentals raised for this particular event, then you can extract an event packing list. So for the zero conference, you can extract a list of how many tables to be sent and what areas to be sent, etc. System will give you comprehensive reporting on that. You can also include other charges such as delivery, pickup, and all of that. And finally, when your rental is finalized, you can simply print it or email it to your customer. And when the customer comes back and says, thank you, thanks very much, let's go with the quote, then you can simply convert that to a rental. Viberent also gives you functionality to clone a quote. For example, if you send a standard quote to many customers, you can simply create a template quote and keep on cloning it any number of times, and then simply um, change the customer details and change the dates for the new customer, and voila, the new quote is ready. That's the power of Viberent that you can see. And also Viberent allows you to give your customer discount at each line level, or also at an overall level. For example, if you want to give your customer an overall $500 discount, you can specify that, or whatever it is that you want to specify. So once a quote is confirmed and converted to rental, then there is a whole lot of other things that you can do within Viberent using the rental transaction screen. Again, I'll show you with an example. Simply select the particular transaction. For example, this particular transaction number 162. Again, like the quote, you can specify the customer details whom you're gonna bill and the shipping addresses, etc. You can specify the items and other details, and also any other charges and all that. And finally, when you're ready to ship the equipment to your customer, you can generate a picking slip. Simply generate a picking slip, include other details and barcodes or QR codes, etc. And you can generate the picking slip and send it to your customers, send it to your warehouse staff so that they can clean the equipment and keep them ready to be delivered. And finally, when you're ready to invoice your customer, simply click post to zero, that or post to MYOB or QBO in your case, and the system will generate the invoice in your accounting system immediately. So imagine you have an event where you have to raise invoices for so many customers. You can simply automate all of that within Viberent. Now, Some of the things that Viberent provides that is unique to the system is the ability to raise regular invoicing for all your long-term rentals. For example, if you're a portable toilet rental company or a container rental company where your equipment is going to be at customer site for many months, you can set up transactions to be long-term rental, which then allows you to invoice your customers at the end of each month. Say, for example, if a transaction started on 17th of October, you can set it up as a long-term rental going up to 30th of June next year. Then the system will invoice from 17th of October to 31st of October, then 1st of November to 30th of November, then 1st of December to 31st of December, and so on till the rental is finished. We also provide you with another set of monthly billing called monthly subscribe that allows you to invoice your customer, say, on a specific day. For example, this particular rental is to be billed on 12th of each month, which then instructs the system to invoice the customer from 13th of one month to the 12th of the following month. That's the kind of power that Viberent provides you. So either you can invoice at the end of the month, or you can invoice the customer anytime during the month based on your monthly date on which you wish to invoice a customer. Now, once your long-term rentals are set up and you are ready to invoice all your customers, say at the end of November for the month of November, you can simply select all the unposted transactions and select either single or multiple or everything and click the bulk post. So imagine you having 200 or 300 transactions each month to be invoiced in one go. Simply select all of these and click bulk post, and that will generate the invoice in your accounting package. That's the power of Viberent. So your month-end invoicing can be reduced from many days into just 15-20 minutes. So we have a lot of container companies and portable toilet companies using Viberent to save them a hell of a lot of time and effort each month. That's the power of Viberent. Now, once this is set up, you can batch print invoices as well. For example, Viberent allows you to print out each transaction individually. However, if you don't wish to do that, then you can batch print all your invoices in one go. Also, you can send out rental reminders to your customers. For example, you have a number of transactions coming up over the next few weeks and that are due to be returned. Then you can simply select single or multiple or everything, and you can send a reminder email to your customers. So that this will allow you to forward plan and inform your customers so that they are ready as to when their transactions are finishing. Once your transactions are done, it's a matter of generating a whole lot of reporting from your Viberent system. Viberent is the only rental system that gives you 20 plus comprehensive reports to completely assess and report on your business performance. Simple things like existing inventory and item availability, or what are the items that are currently hired or not hired, and any rental revenue. So for example, if you want to find out how much revenue you have generated from certain customers, you can simply select the customer details and select the customers and select the periods and select the periods, etc. And then you can simply click preview, and the system will generate the report for that period. So it gives you rental revenue for these companies during that particular period. In addition to these reports, Viberent also provides you with comprehensive reporting, repairs and maintenance functionality as well. For example, you can maintain spare parts and for your equipment that you maintain, and also you can specify all the um, service types. For example, you have a 10K service or 20K service, etc. So you can specify all the tasks to be performed for the type of service and any checklist, exterior cleaning done, open bonnet or whatever it is, and you can also include any spare parts to be used for the type of service and all that. And finally, when you're ready to schedule a service or maintenance of your equipment, simply specify all the details. Again, we'll show it to you with an example. So this particular item is undergoing a 10K service from this on this day from this time to this time, and these are the spare parts that we are using, and these are the staff who are involved in maintaining that equipment, and any service tasks to be performed, service checklist to be performed. And so when it's all ready, you can raise a purchase order to your supplier, and also you can generate a printout and keep it ready so that you have all records of performance done on your equipment in one go. So at the time of asset disposal, you have complete access to all the services performed on your equipment. That's the power of a system like Viberent, giving you comprehensive functionality from initial inventory setup through to rental setup and also repair and maintenance. There is one other key functionality that Viberent provides is what we call as the customer portal. Customer portal is nothing but a web front end that you provide to your customers so that they can interact with you directly and process rentals and with you directly, instead of you asking them for what they need and then manually processing them in the system. Viberent Customer Portal allows them to directly interact with you without you doing anything. So this builds the stickiness with your customers so that they have no other option but to stick with you because they give you this function. You give them this functionality. Say for example, you can add your customer in for whom you want to provide portal access. Simply specify their name, their phone number, and address details, etc., and also give them an email ID and the login password so that they can log into the customer portal using this. So you can simply specify Peter at 42cafe.com, and then you can specify the username and password and login, and you can then place the order directly from the customer portal. So you can simply select the items that you want to select. I want to select one of that, and I want to select it on a daily basis from first to the fourth or whatever, and you can add it in, and I can select another item. I want to select these plates. I want 20 of them, and again for the same period, and then you can add it in, and you can add all of these things in, and then you can simply place the order with your um, provider. So Viberent gives you all this functionality so that you can have easier interaction with your customers. So as we have seen, Viberent gives you comprehensive functionality from initial setup of your inventory through to maintaining it, rental revenue and all that, and reporting, and also repair and maintenance and customer portal functionality. So as you can see, Viberent is a comprehensive rental management system for any kind of rental company, and we welcome the opportunity to assist you with the setup of Viberent. We have provided a short overview of the Viberent system for you. There is much more to the system. So we invite you to visit our website www.vibrenthq.com, and you can see a whole lot of details about Viberent, our system, and also subscribe for a trial as well, and we'll be more than happy to assist you. You can contact us on 1300-131-842, or send an email to info@vibrenthq.com. That's info@vibrenthq.com. Thanks very much for watching this video. If you have any questions, simply contact us. Goodbye.